everyone. My name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So today into this particular video, I'm going to tell you about one of the full stack software development boot camps, which is by ODD School, one of the companies, right? I'm going to help you out that what is it all about into this respective one, and what's this boot camp about and everything, right? So let's start up over here. So this is one of the full stack software development boot camps which is being organized by Odin School, which guarantees the placement in the full stack development field. Companies like Amazon and many more companies are gonna come up over here and take you for the roles of your full stack software developers. Right, so here are some of the things about that particular boot camp. It's gonna be of 6 months, right? Live classes, all over live classes, 6 months. And what's the outcome? Outcome is that you will be able to go crack, fly out for the jobs of your software development, right? Placement, 360-degree placement assistance, right? Here you are having 500 plus hiring partners who are gonna come and take in your interviews and hire you based over your skill set and the abilities. What's the boot camp fee? So the boot camp is all about it's 80,000 plus GST. It is a 10-year refund policy. You are having up the scholarships as well over here, which are up to your 30,000 scholarships. So here you are having some recently placed or Odin grad, some people who have been recently placed. Here you are having up those people. These are the hiring partners over. Maximum salary hike is 230%. Hiring partners are 500 plus percent. These are all of the hiring partners which are over here, which are partnered with this Odin school and hire you out from here. These are some here from students you can check in. This is what are the bootcamp outcomes from here. You as a full stack software development bootcamp, you'll be able to gaining the necessary knowledges and skills and getting a proper exposure about your development role. So here you'll be gaining end-to-end knowledge of the full stack development, right? You'll be applying your new knowledge and the skills to gain practical experience, acquiring up the important skills like your testing, GitHub, deployment, cloud, microservices, everything like that. And yeah, you'll be getting familiarized with the web technologies which will be involved up over here. And that will really help you up to boost up your career further. So who can join in these boot camps? It can be joined in by basically any one of you who wants a career launch, who wants a career change, career upgrade, and career relaunch. The persons who are wanting to launch up their career in full stack software development, who want to transition to the in-demand field, who want to upgrade up their skill set, and over you who say want to re-enter in the workforce after once you have taken up a career break. So all of those people can join in. The curriculum is course over here. Live you'll be having projects, career services, and the support. These are all the modules which are getting covered up. Your basic CSE tools, HTML and CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Node.js, React, Redux, writing tests, Git, deployment, cloud, microservices, and Capstone project. So from here you can download this particular PDF files to check on over this. These will the multiple real world projects like e-commerce, real estate, car rental, YouTube clone. All of these will be over there. These are the bootcamp highlights, whatever you are having up. All of the bootcamps highlights are mentioned up over there. You can just check those out at your end. The enrollment is applied and check in your eligibility, right? Or you can avail of the scholarship and then you can enroll and you can start your further journey. So career services are where you'll be getting workshops, interviews, profile building, placement assistance, everything you'll be getting up over there, right? And here are the upcoming cohorts which are starting from first is from this 10th of December, second is from 14th of December 2023. You can apply and check it out over there. These are some FAQs which we have over here, so you can check those as well. Right, so I hope you are pretty much clear with all the things which I have told you about this full stack software development bootcamp, which is being organized out by the Odin School. Right, so I hope you are pretty much clear into the same. So thank you so much for watching out this video. I'll see you all in the next video.